Welcome back, everyone. All right, let's go ahead and let's do some math in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean this up a little bit so we have our variables here. What happens if you want to, let's say, go a plus b? Okay, let's go ahead and run that, and you'll see that, it technically works, okay? And if you really want to, watch this, we go a plus b. Now this one doesn't work in any kind of programming language, but some of them do here. And as you can see here, if you go ahead and put a plus b, the score is now equal to 7, and that's what that equals to. All right, now another thing you can do is you can go int answer, okay? And we won't bother initializing that. So watch what happens. If you type in int answer, so a plus b is equal to answer, okay? You run that here, and then it says, non-void function, and you're like, well, that makes no sense. Well, let's go ahead and let's just switch it around. A plus b here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and run that here, and you can see it works. So if you remember back to math class, the equal sign can go on the left or the right. In this case here, it only has to be on the left, okay? It's a little bit different, and it's just the way it is. Now, what we can do here is you can either do the math right here, or what you can end up doing here is you can just type in answer like that, okay? It's pretty simple. You can go ahead and do what you want here. Now, what you can also do is you can also add in just a simple number here, okay? So everything should equal to 8, and you can add in whatever you want here, okay? Now, it sounds pretty cool. Now, there is one other thing, is what happens if you add it to 1.5, okay? You can see that it's still 8, okay? And what happens if you make int equal to 3.5? Okay, we'll go ahead and run that. And then it comes up with an error, okay? And the reason is that, remember, int cannot be decimal numbers. And I'm going to talk a bit about that in the next tutorial, all right? In this tutorial, I just wanted to show you math, okay? All right, and I'll just go ahead and delete that. And it's always good to leave with a working program, and there we go. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.